advice to them.
By the way, the TLP is demonstrating.
Yes, sir.
And what is your advice to the government of Pakistan?
Sir, I think TLP is quite a unique situation because we've had foreign groups working in Pakistan, but this is a domestically existing movement, and I feel that it's a tricky situation. And I do not feel that it should be resolved with strict measures. I understand that the reason I do not believe that it should be resolved with such strict measures is that the sentiments that are involved are religious, and Berielvi sect, being one of the largest sects in Pakistan, identifies with that movement. So I feel for the government, I would say, and that's what they are doing right now, is to take a multifaceted approach, bring in ulama, bring in politicians to negotiate, and get to a point where mutual interests are explored. In the longer run, I would say that we work towards including this particular group in the governance system, so that they not only have the voice at platforms where they need to be, and the reason for, and it diminishes the reason for them to be at the street. So bring them into parliament, absorb them into the whole system, and that would be my approach for them.
Can you tell us,
yes, sir,
what are the positive and negative aspects of social media in the society?
Sir, social media is quite an interesting development that has